G'day coppers, welcome back to the bush. In this video I've been checking out how to season a brand new Bedourie Camp Oven. So what is a Bedourie Camp Oven? It's just like a cast iron oven, but it's made out of sheet metal. So it's a lot lighter and doesn't distribute heat quite as well. But if you want to check that out, click the link in the description. Bedourie oven versus traditional camp oven. Once you pull it out of the box, you need to clean it up in a bit of warm soapy water to get the packing, greases and whatnot off it. So there we go. Once you finish cleaning it, rinse it down with a bit of clean water, and then we'll head over to the barbecue where we can start the seasoning process. Due to a slight technical malfunction, the audio on the clip didn't work. However, as you can see, I'm spraying down the Bedourie using high temperature oil, in this case olive oil, and I've already heated up the barbecue to around about 250 degrees. Make sure you completely cover both the lid and the base of the Bedourie. Place it inside the barbecue and we'll let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see you in a minute. As you can see in the photograph of the FLIR camera, they were sitting around about 250 degrees. Now let's have a look at them as you can see them with your eyes. Okay, so after the first coat, time for a second coat. Give it a good spray, inside and out. And grab your paper. Make sure we wipe it right around in all the crevices for a nice even coating. Then pop it in your preheated barbecue for another 15 to 20 minutes. And again, we'll see you in about 15 minutes. Righto, so we've now had a chance for the barbecue to cool down. That's nice and cool now. So it's had 2 coats of seasoning. Should be reasonably non-stick now. It's only going to get better with age. So tell us in the comments section, what do you prefer? A Bedourie or the old style cast iron? Check the video in the link. Now if you like this video, don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, or if you didn't like it, give us a thumbs down. Twice. Thanks guys, see you in the next one.